Let's take a look at the ingredient. I have a cucumber here, and the serrano pepper. If you don't like a spicy one, you can skip this one. And then here dried chili, and then minced garlic, sesame seeds, salt, cooking oil, sesame oil. Okay, let's start. First, we cut all the ingredients. Recently, I have been eating mostly vegetable dishes. I'm not fully vegetarian because I do like to eat fish and pork twice a week. But for most days, I really like all the vegetarian. Vegetables digest quickly, so my body does not feel so heavy all day. Vegetable dishes need good flavor to be a hearty main dish that comes from the garlic, spicy pepper, and sesame seeds oil, which all have great flavor. Cucumber has a lot of water, so we cover with salt and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then the water can be easily squeezed out. Frying the garlic and dried chili first to bring out the flavor. Then add the cucumber and serrano pepper. Don't cook cucumber too long so they still have a little bit of crunchiness. I love hot spicy food, but you can skip the serrano pepper if that is not your thing. Last, add the sesame seed oil and sesame seeds. We are done. Should I fry the cucumber with some rice, or it is also good by itself? Thank you.